guys, as you noticed, yesterday I posted pink eye problem, and I still have the pink eye. This morning I was like completely blind. I was like this. I could barely even see through this eye. And that's when I had to get the cloth out. I also have a horrible cough, so that's double, and I don't have to go to school. So if I don't have to go to school, I guess I can't do my videos. So it's sad. I'm going to my grandmother's and and because my mom has to work. So, bye guys. Oh, by the way, it's Ashley Mall here.